In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing dashboard in Glide. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll have a clear dashboard layout that helps you visualize your marketing data inside Glide. This is a great way to turn raw numbers into something much easier to read, whether you're tracking campaign performance, traffic, leads, or other key metrics. To get started, open your browser and go to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login so you can access your workspace. After you're signed in, open the app you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct app, since this is where your dashboard will be built and where your existing data and layout settings will already live. Once you're inside the editor, go to the navigation area and click Add. From there, choose the data source you want to use for your marketing dashboard. This step is important because your dashboard visuals will depend on the table or source you connect here. If your marketing data is already organized well, this part will be much easier, so it helps to make sure your source contains the fields you want to display before moving on. After selecting the data source, look over to the right panel and choose a style. This controls how the section will appear visually in your app. Pick a style that matches the kind of dashboard experience you want to create. For example, if you want something clean and easy to scan, choose a layout that makes the data feel organized and readable. Next, go to the left panel and click Add Component. This is where you begin adding the actual visual element for your dashboard. From the component options, choose either a bar graph or a line graph. The right choice depends on the story your data is telling. A bar graph is often useful for comparing categories, while a line graph works well when you want to show change over time. Once the chart is added, move to the right panel again and choose the X and Y axis. This is where you define what the graph is measuring. Set the X-axis to the category or time-based field you want to track, and set the Y-axis to the numeric value you want to visualize. Take a moment here to double-check that your chart reflects the data correctly, because the clarity of your dashboard depends on this setup. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your updated marketing dashboard live and ready to use. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to create a marketing dashboard. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.